What it do, YouTube? What it do, social media? What it do, all platforms? Today we got the 392 Scat Pack. Come with me, come with me. As you can see, we got the Powered by SRT right there. We got your LED lights. Make sure you show them. Make sure you show them. Show them the racing stripes we got going down there. Got the nice racing stripes. You know what I'm saying? Racing stripes all the way down. You know what I'm saying? This could be you. This could be you. Come on, come on, come on. Yo. Man, make sure you show the inside. The inside, we got the Alcantara, all black everywhere. Come on. Got the Dodge steering wheel. Got your clutches and gauges right there. Carbon fiber in this one. We got the red gauges right here. We don't got no sunroof in this one, but it's all good. It's all good. And then get behind. That's what she's talking about.
MOMMA mentality simply means trying to be the best version of yourself. That's what the mentality means. It means every day, you're trying to become better. And it's a constant quest. It's an infinite quest. We all have dreams, and it's very scary sometimes to accept the dream that you have. And it's scarier still to say, okay, I want that. It's scary because you're afraid that if you put your heart and soul into it and you fail, then how are you going to feel about yourself, right? And so being fearless means putting yourself out there and going for it. No matter what, go for it. Not for anybody else, but for yourself.